Red ball man.
You ain't gonna do it. Now you're gonna fuck with the light.
I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it.
You already turned it off. You bitch.
Red ball man.
Nate. Nate. Oh god, I got that single yet. Oh! You ain't gonna throw your fucking mod at me.
Nah, but I need juice though.
Like bad? I'll get you some juice.
What?
I'll go to a fucking vape store and rob them. Their fucking juice, mods, tanks, everything.
Well, fuck, I haven't been here in a while.
Huh?
I haven't been here in a while. I got emo tools.
Nice. Well, I mean, you're in Deja Lu.
Red ball bang. Go bang bang. Hey. Oh, PK. It's not. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's right, babe. You better not fucking put me in that. Match is already in progress. Did they? Camera, you gotta catch that, did they?
Yeah, what should I take?
Yeah, that guy right there. Huh?
Blue shield or the Evo shield?
Blue shield or the Evo shield?
Blue shield or the Evo shield?
The blue shield. It's just you and your teammate.
Yes, sir.
I have another one.
We left right off the bat. That's why I wish you could play solos in the Apex.
I'd probably win a lot.
You're welcome. I love you too. Hey, I spray.
Hey, if you guys play fucking Apex, go fucking play it now. It's the best game in the world, honestly. Alright, team, it's better not kill me either. I'll fucking go to your mom and fucking tell her you hate her. Alright, yeah, see that cup? That's your brain. Boom! Yeah. Put that fucking window back together now. Don't even fucking do it, Cap. Don't even do it. Don't even dare. What are you shooting at over here? Don't you fucking do it. No. Hey, stop fucking doing that.
I got purple fucking little nigga. By the way, any viewers that has is a fucking nigger. Fucking little niggers.
Hey, you know all the subscribers are your friends.
I'm fucking niggers.
Your fucking friends are niggers. This Watson really wants to kick my ass. Oh, what's up, Jerome? What's up, buddy? Hey, where'd you go? Come back, you're my friend. You're my only friend. I just lost him. Ah! Who are you shooting at? You killed my friend, you son of a bitch. Oh, we gotta reinforce these walls, you son of a bitch. No. Ah! Whoa. My asteroid, so keep it cover you, bitch. Right in the window now, right there. Holy fuck, you spray like a son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, what the hell is wrong with you? Hey, you need some healer? I'll give it to you. Just peek your head in the window. Huh? Nice. Oh, you want some healer? Let's go. Douche! Okay, I gave him some heal. He's all looking around. What the fuck is he doing? Marshall, it's just me and you, buddy.
Where they at though?
How? What the fuck?
Yeah, you suck. You already dead.
How do you even see me? Run this way and get down.
I straight raid.
Master, you're gonna die. Master, you're gonna die.
One friendly.
How? I shot him in his penis. Fucking
No
penis.
way. He hit me with that gas.
Shot him in the penis. He didn't even die. This Mastro's on computer. You can just tell. Nate. He's like screens like Nate.
Op 4 is securing the container.
Nate.
Dude, that kid is sad. And I can't fucking watch your goddamn screen.
No, you know, I'm not
Or
telling
look
you.
at you.
I'm not telling you to watch it. These guys, he's on computer because this guy's screen's going like that.
Okay, sucks. Don't play.
And my teammate sucks big dick. Yeah, shove those bullets up your ass, kid. You suck. This guy's camping like a bitch. What the fuck? I mean, honestly, I gotta give it to him. Good camping spot. We're attacking. No, we're not attacking, but defending. Alright, well, fuck. Who was I? Look, who was I? Who was I? You guys, who the fuck was I? Was that him? Yeah, I think it was him. Right? Yeah, no, because I remember giving myself a hue. Right? Yes, no, yes, maybe. Who the? Oh, Kavira. Nate, somebody has the legendary skin for Kavira. Or the something skin. What the fuck is that type of Pathfinder skin?
Taking my skin.
What is Cav's skin? What is wrong? Cav's more muscular now. What the fuck? Barricade that wall. Oh fuck, is impact. Alright, barricade that wall. You stupid son of a bitch. You! That wall. Now. Yeah, you. Wall. Now. Hello there. I'm enforcing it. Cause you're gonna see. Oh, you gonna come through? No, okay, bye.
5 seconds in count. Op 4 is failing to find the biohazard.
He didn't come through, okay? She didn't want to come through.
Pathfinder wanted to go somewhere else, but
What?
I guess we're going down here.
That wall. Yo, look out and kill you.
Jump his ass.
Better come to that wall. I already know it.
Thanks.
Watch that.
Watch
that wall. Watch it. Ah. From where?
Punch him! Let's go!
Duh.
Oh my god, he's finishing.
Duh.
This guy's. You're dead. You're dead, dude. Your dad is dead. Oh my.
Can't break that. Guy's middle.
Oh my god.
You're a good cat. You're gonna die.
Oh my.
Why the hell you peeking through that, you son of a bitch? Through there. And that, and through there. Shit. Yeah, through there.
Op 4 has found the biohazard container.
Kill him. Speak to that hole again. How dare you?
Op 4 remaining. Op 4 eliminated.
I'll spin around and what?
This guy's Pathfinder with boxing gloves.
Nice.
I just led by the respawn beacon.
To respawn you?
Respawn me and Alpha Bastard.
Nice. Who should I be, Nate? Who should I be out of Sledge or Dokkaebi? Dokkaebi? Alright.
Okay.
Dokkaebi.
And I still don't care.
Sophia. Ying. Someone's already Sophia. You want to get shot at? Hey! Run for your life!
Punch him.
Stop! Did you kill her?
Yep.
That guy was like, "You're taking everything."
Dude, I think everything.
You took
I took
everything.
shit.
You have no ammo.
Stop!
You have no ammo.
I had no ammo, bro.
There's no ammo.
I had 30 bullets and 16 bullets.
Good work.
Dead again.
That all shut down to zero.
Oh my god, there's so many people.
They're not even doing
Oh
anything.
god, the unicorn's dead. Oh god, Gothic's so dead, dude. Hey, they're rolling it backs, bro. They're like werewolves.
Why the fuck is my drone on top of a SWAT van? I'm driving. Stop your car. Oh wait, backwards day.
Biohazard container located.
Why the fuck do I have a shotgun for you? Shoot it. Shoot this damn camera. Bam. Who the fuck just killed Sophia? Why'd you? I just died. I was about to say, why the fuck should you kill Sophia for? I'm actually happy I died. What? This guy is stupid. The window. You should have waited for his head to peek through that little hole. And you suck. 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 You suck. You suck.
Op 4 eliminated all friendly.
Holy hell. We won once, we lost twice. This kid ain't even good, bro. He ain't good, bro. Alright, who should that be, you guys? Who should that be? Sledge? Alright. Oh wait, there's Sledge. Shotgun or no shotgun? No shotgun? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this one.
Oh my god. Nathan,
What?
that's where we're going again.
Skull Town.
Yep,
What do you know?
3 games in a row. 3 games. Yeah.
It's a 4v4 and we're probably gonna die because we're gonna suck.
I'm going over here, bro. I found a fucking peacekeeper. God damn.
Locate the biohazard container.
Hold on a second. I ain't getting that peacekeeper.
I'm about to say, you ain't getting that peacekeeper. They got pro body shit though. Yeah. Oh, Lou. We got a fucking hemlock though. Yeah.
It's not good.
No! I have to take a shower. So what time is it? 11:57.
Insertion in 10 seconds.
Someone just blew in.
5 seconds to insertion.
I go.
Biohazard container location.
Why the
unknown.
fuck is my
Clear to
fucking
engage.
thing on top of the thing
Oh
on
my
thing on
God,
thing?
dude.
Oh,
I'm
speaking.
done fucking playing Apex. Yeah, no, I have to play Apex with you if you're just gonna fucking play one game and then quit.
I played 2 games. My drone's still there, I can't tell.
Reloading.
But
Biohazard container located.
I just wanted to do that.
operator standing. Op 4 neutralized.
I have the same mask as you. Well, no, I don't. So that's yours. That one looks like to be a blue. Ah.
You need to locate the biohazard container. Good work. The biohazard container has been located.
I just revealed my face.
10 seconds to insertion.
So bad. I mean, the clutches.
Insertion in 5 seconds.
Reveal my face.
Biohazard container located. Proceed with location.
Reload! Cover me!
There's someone in that window again.
I'm gonna have to offer him $500.
There we go. Don't go through there. Do not go through there, Damien. Downstairs even more? Jesus. Okay, we're on the level. No offense, that bitch actually scared the shit out of me. Oh no, you died. Yeet. Die. Shit.
One on 4 remaining. Resume securing the container once the threat is destroyed.
No, it's right there. Okay, good. Ugh.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission
Ah, that's
success.
okay. Oh, that's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Holy fuck, you get a 7 kills, goddamn. Nah, that's me. Oh, it's got a pack, bro. I'm in video here. See you guys.